How to clear system data on Mac. So when you look in the storage of your MacBook laptop, you will see a large percentage section of your storage is taken up by system data. You can't click on it in the storage section here to be able to see what's in there. So you're going to have to go a different type of way to be able to get in there. First of all is by going to the home page of your MacBook, clicking on Go at the top, then going down to Go to Folder. You can also do the keyboard shortcut too. And then you want to type in this. So you want to do this little squiggly line by pressing Shift and then the button that's next to it on your MacBook keyboard, / then library. Then it's going to bring you to this here where you want to click on caches. Then you'll want to go ahead and search by size, and automatically it won't be there. You'll have to click on this drop down, click show view options, and make sure calculate all sizes is turned on. Then you'll be able to see where the issues are, what's taking up all the space. You'll be able to search it. As you can see, this one at the top here for me is Spotify. Me personally, I don't really care about Spotify and it taking up room and things being quicker with Spotify, so I'm just going to decide to delete that. For you, maybe though, there might be something that is important that you keep on there. So make sure you look up on ChatGPT what it is exactly that you are deleting. Because I don't want to get you to delete things which might be something that's important that might ruin your whatever the app you're using or your MacBook. So make sure you look it up before deleting. But for me here, I knew that I could just re-download Spotify and it'll all be okay. So I deleted all that, emptied the bin there, and then when you go back into your storage, you'll see how much was deleted. So it's up to you how much you want to delete, get rid of, remove, whatever you're trying to do, that's up to you. But as you can see here, my Spotify still worked, everything was okay. So for a lot of the time, you can just delete things you don't need. So leave a like on the video for help and subscribe for more helpful videos.